Hey, it's Nikki DeRoest, Bobbi Brown's Artist in Residence. I am just about ready and I wanted to stop and film a quick tutorial showing you a multi-dimensional sculptured look. So what does that mean? To simplify, that is playing with highlights and shadows and how by just simply doing a couple of techniques, you can get this really beautiful sculpted look. Definitely inspired by the 70s, and it is definitely a trend that I want you to know. So let me show you how to do it. It's very, very easy. As I mentioned, I'm pretty much ready. So I prepped my skin today with the vitamin enriched face base, which I love because not only is it an incredible moisturizer, but it's also a primer for my foundation, which is the Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. I wear the shade beige, and I love it because it definitely is like second skin. I can layer it if I need more coverage, but it also doesn't feel like I have a heavy foundation on. So I'm going to start with the highlighting powder. This is Pink Glow, and if you notice, you can see that it has some white and pink marbling effect within the powder. It's really, really lightweight. I'm using the Face Blender brush, and I'm just kind of brushing that onto the high point of my cheekbone, and I go all the way up to the middle of my brow. Now, what I like about this is that it's actually really, really finely milled, so it doesn't sit on top of the skin, and it looks really, really natural, but you can see how much glow I got from that powder. Now we'll move on to the bronzer. Bobbi Brown's bronzers are my favorite that are out there. This is the shade Golden Light, and I am using the sheer powder brush because I want it to be a really soft and light application. So again, just swirling my brush into the product, and I'm going to start to lightly dust that on to below my cheekbone. And you can see how that just starts to sculpt everything out. Really, really easy. So this is without anything, and just by adding that highlight and shadow, it really takes shape on the face. So I like to go there a little bit just at my temple, definitely right at the base of the jawline here, and you can take it up to the ear. I always like to go a little bit down the neck as well to make sure there's no hard lines. And then I just have mascara on. I'm going to take this and basically add that to the crease, but also a bit on the brow bone. So you can see what that does. And that's it. It's so simple. So 2 products, 2 easy steps, and this is the result. So I'm going to quickly even myself out and do the other side. All right, so that is it. You can see how simple that was using 2 products. You get your highlight, you get your sculpt. It's super natural, but the effects are incredible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tip, and until next time, I'll see you soon.